What's up, gang? It's your boy Jamar of Play Hard, Train Hard, and I got a skinny man workout for you. I want y'all to come train legs with me. On this day, we did 4 sets of 8 to 10 heavy box squats. As you can see right here, I'm starting off with 225 on that bench. On that bar. Remember, when you sit on that box, your knees should be over your ankles. All right, we're practicing good squat form. Knees over your ankles, chest up, butt back, grounding through the heels of your feet. Never come up on your toes. Always ground through the heels of your feet. They help you incorporate more hamstring, more glute, more lower back. All right, you're more powerful from that position. You're gonna drive through them heels. You're gonna exhale up top. Right after we knock out those 8 to 10 heavy box squats, we're going right into 8 heavy dumbbell jump squats. And as you go, it might be a little harder to go right into it, but the goal is to go right into it as fast as you can. We're going to knock out 8 heavy dumbbell jump squats. Good landing position, toes to heel, take off, toe to heel to toe as you take off. Then we're going right into 10 heavy dumbbell hanging deadlifts. Chest up, butt back, never rounding your back as you go into that deadlift. The goal is to try to get that chest parallel to the floor. Got your feet shoulder width apart. Soften your knees, never lock your knees out, and you're gonna hinge from the hip. We're gonna try to keep our breaks about no more than 90 seconds, maybe 2 minutes, depending upon how hard you're going. Now let's go into round two, or set two, I should say. We're gonna add 20 pounds wherever I'm like going up on weight on my squats, box squats, or anything lower body. I usually jump up in 10 to 20 pound increments. Now, when I'm doing upper body, I usually jump up from 5 to 10 pound increments. Remember, it's better to go a little lighter than it is to go too heavy, because if you go too heavy, you could tank out too early, and you won't really get full maximum benefit of your squat. Also, we're going to practice lifting to failure. But when you lift to failure, remember you want to be able to still maintain your form, but you want to, when at that point where that form feel like it's starting to break down, that's when you lock in, dig deep, and you push through that set. Now you might get one or two more reps out of that set when you feel that form starting to break down. But just be mindful of what you can do and what you can't do, because the last thing you want to do is get stuck, or worse than that, get hurt. As you will see later in this video, I got stuck on my third set, but I had a good spotter with me and I got up out of there. But let's get back to it. This is set number two, 8 to 10. I think I knocked out 8 strong box squats at 245. Since this was a little harder, I didn't go right into my jump squats. I gave myself a little time to recover. Then I grabbed those dumbbells and went right into my jump squat, because I want to keep consideration that it's always quality over quantity. So I gave myself a little time before I went into that jump squat, just to make sure I can execute those jump squats and those hanging dumbbell deadlifts with proper form. Because remember, it's always quantity, quality over quantity. So let's knock out these 8 weighted dumbbell deadlifts. I believe those are some 50 or 55 pound dumbbells in my hand. Then we're going right into that hanging dumbbell deadlift. Feet shoulder width apart. Soften your knees. Never lock your knees out. Some exercise you will, but in this particular one, you don't want to lock your knees out. Chest up, butt back, hinging, getting that chest parallel to the floor. Remember, you want to try to push your butt back as far as you can. That way, you get um, maximum range of motion out of the hamstring. You'll feel that hamstring really stretch out. See my gym partner over here, my workout buddy, Alicia over here crushing her box squats. Alicia been really getting into it these last couple of months. I think we probably on this June. This video was taken probably early June. We've been at it for 6 months. Alicia doing real good. The whole gang doing good too. You can see Nicole back there. Shug hidden by the weight. She can't really see Shug, but don't even worry about it. I introduce those people to you as we continue to go on. And I want y'all to make sure that you like and subscribe, especially if you're a hard gainer like me, because this program, I gain 8 pounds, probably in 2 to 3 months. A little over 2 months, I increased my bench press and my squat by 20%. So I'm just gonna let y'all, I'm gonna let you see it for yourself. And if you want to tap into this workout program, you can always just send me a message, comment, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. I'm all over the place, man. It's all about world domination right now. So right now, this is when the set's starting to get a little tough. And I got my cameraman Thomas, nephew Thomas, aka Guy, to give me a spot. He kind of knew the spot. When I got stuck, he didn't really know what to do. But he got Uncle about it, and I appreciate that. Another thing you can do though, if you get stuck on a box squat or a squat like that, all you really gotta do is make sure nobody behind you. Make sure your phone not on the floor or anything that's behind you that can be broken, and you can just throw it off your shoulders, especially if you got like Olympic weights or rubber weights. They just gonna hit the ground and they gonna bounce. That's me clowning because I seen Thomas was scared when he was spotting me. He thought I was out of there, but I pretty much had the weight under control. I wasn't tripping. So on his set, I stepped over to the side to just kind of coach him and give him some cues on how to, appropriately spot your gym partner. Thomas still kind of new to the gym, but I'm proud of him. He doing good too. Got to straighten that back out a little bit more, but that could be due to a weakness in his core. But as we continue to progress through my next months of training, I get them straight and those squats will look a lot better. So Thomas knocked out his 8. I'm gonna come on back over here, knock out my 8 jump squats, finish out with 10 hamstring, 10 hanging dumbbell deadlift, and that'll be my leg day. That's actually the first circuit of my leg day. I actually did 4 rounds, and that fourth round went a lot better than that third round. That fourth round, I had the camera on me, and I like to call those digital steroids. Once you get them digital steroids in front of you, you gotta paint the perfect picture for your audience. But hey, guys, I want y'all to make sure that you like, subscribe, comment on this video. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you're having problems with. I want y'all to tap in with me because it's not just all about lifting weights. It's about mindset as well because you can establish and develop qualities in the gym that you could take with you throughout life. But that's my 2 cent gang. Jamar Robinson, play hard, train hard. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. Peace.
And the notification.
And as you heard my son Kamali, my assistant director, turn on them notifications too, y'all. Peace.